the Glock 44 with a +5. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's the 44 for all y'all haters. And that's a +5. Is it gonna shoot? What's up with the gang, man? Hey, look, man. I'm bringing y'all another package, man. Back-to-back packages. And this time, man, y'all see the thumbnail. We upgrading that Glock 44. We already did the 42. Now we moving on to the 44, man. 44, not 44. 44. But yeah, man, we about to upgrade the 44. Let's do it. Got our package. Let's open it up. We are upgrading the mag. Check that out. I got a +5 for the Glock 44. Have y'all seen the +5 for the Glock 44? I haven't either. I have seen a couple on YouTube, but I ain't seen no real niggas with no upgraded +5 on no Glock 44. So let's check it out and do it, man. And yeah, I already got that halfway taken apart because you know that Glock 42 I had trouble with. And this one, the polymer is a little bit thicker. So this one is, man, this one really gonna give you trouble. You try to take that back plate off. Let's open this up. Damn, I always forget my little handy dandy key knife. And these are 3D printed or whatever y'all call it. They are that. Man, they shiny too. Look at that. +5. Kind of shiny. We just gonna, these are off eBay actually. We're gonna see. I'm only gonna do one for now because we're gonna see if they even worth it. You dig what I'm saying? I'm trying to think, do I need this? I can't remember if I need. I shouldn't need that. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need the little plate lock. I don't think I need that. I hope I don't need that. Damn, I can't remember. I done watched some, anyway, y'all know the routine. Hold the spring down, as y'all see. You don't want to get popped in the eye. Hold the spring down. Slide this. And on over. Oh yeah, this one is way thicker. But it snapped. Oh, y'all know what I forgot to do though? Man, I think I did that wrong too. No, I did that right. But I forgot to pop these out. You gotta pop them out. I forgot all about that. You gotta pop the follower out. And I'm gonna use my screwdriver. Cause I definitely forgot to do it. Boy, been struggling lately doing this crap. And I think it's cause I'm tired. There we go. Pop that out. Just like that. You want to pop that helper out, that help you load it up, that help assist. And then you want to take these two and lock that in so you don't lose it. Put that with your little pieces and whatnot. But this is what it looked like. For some reason it looked kind of odd, don't it? Like I done put it in there wrong. But I don't know, it just looked odd, man. This one do got rounds in it. I'm just seeing something real quick. It looked kind of odd to me. I don't know why. Feel like that should have went the other way, but that's correct. Anyway, let's see if we can get that +5 in here like it say, because if we can't, gonna be sending this mug back. Let's see what it look like, man. Tired too. That's tired, boss. Got us some cheap bullets here. How y'all day going, man? Hey, is y'all digging that Glock 42? Let me know if y'all digging that Glock 42 or not. I did that +2 on. Let me know if y'all digging that. And with this video, I'm actually, if y'all see some shooting with this video, then I got out and did some shooting with it. But if not, I didn't make it to the range. And man, let me know what y'all want to see to the channel, man. I'm about to get a shot clock so I can start timing myself and on accuracy and all that. But let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. And we're gonna go from there. This is gonna be a short video. I just wanted to show y'all a little Glock 44 update that I usually don't see. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I must say, without that assist though, it do get a little hard. 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 10 right there. 10. Woo! 11. Taking a little force now. 12. 13. 13. Man, 13 might be it for right now. 13 might be it. I don't know. We can try it. I think 13 might be it. Nah, 13 might be it. I really don't want to try 13, but 13 might be it. Let me see if that fit right though. See, I feel like it should be raised up more than that. But I don't know. All we can do is try it. It loaded up. It did load up. Gotta be able to get 15 in here. At least 15. Maybe we gonna have to break that spring in. I'm gonna update y'all. That's 14. We did get 14. That was one more. Let's see. 14 might be it. Especially without that spring assist. $14 did load up. And one did pop out. And I might need to double check the description. This might just be a +4. Might be a +4. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I know. I'm on some bull. It say a +5 though. It definitely say a +5 though. I only got 4, man. Hey, if I could squeeze that one more round in there. But yeah, man, this what it looked like. Look exactly like my Glock 19 now. And this is 3D printed. That's pretty dang cool. I think that is pretty cool. But yeah, y'all see it. Glock 44 with the +5. I only got 14 in there till that spring get broke in. I'm out. Holla. What up, everybody? Yeah, I made it to the range and I told y'all we was gonna do some shooting with this. Now I did do some adjustments to it. As y'all can see, I filed it down a whole lot because it was so thick. So I did file it down a lot just so it could fit in my 945 Industries bag, because when I had it in here it kept getting snagged. So I did file it down and that smoothed it out. A little ugly, but it's gonna be all right. Let's load them up and shoot them. I know y'all ain't probably trying to watch me load them, but we gonna do it. And we gonna try to get that 15 in there. This gonna take too long. Yeah, my shit tacky. I know I didn't bring my bag with me today. I don't feel like carrying all that. This is just a quick little visit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're just gonna do a couple mag dumps just to see how it is. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't know how many I had in here now. I done lost count of my dang self. Cause at first, early in the video, I was getting 14 at least. I done lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that is 14. So I almost got 15. I almost got 15. Loads up fine. Bunch of bugs out here. Damn. What happened here? Already got some bullshit going on. Let's see. Okay, so the only thing, that spring ain't locking it back though. Let's load up some more. And when I was watching the video, I was told to stretch the spring out a little bit more, but I ain't really too much worried about locking back. Locking back ain't my concern, as long as it function and it shoot, which I think that was a round issue. I don't know. Never know with these 22s. I always lose count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is about the max we gonna get in here. Y'all see it? Just ain't locking back. It's running though. Man, it's gonna be a good training. The crazy thing is, I made it look. Definitely accidentally flagged myself. That ain't bad. Here got a mat. Made it look exactly like my 19. That's the crazy thing. If y'all can see that. Look exactly like my 19. That's hard. I'm gonna load up some more and I'm gonna get back with y'all. So we got them loaded back up. I'll set that one there. Might do some self-defense out the bag with it. Cause like I said before, I carry my 22 on me. And that's why I shaved it down, so this 8 can fit in this bag I got. Gotta get me a timer, which is next. Self-defense, boy, you put them down. That's all A's. Look at that. That's the only thing I don't like is that not locking back. But yeah, man, definitely running. I'm gonna run probably 500 through there. I just wanted y'all to see that. That's a nice pistol, boy. Yes, sir. What up with it? We did make it to the range, and the +5 on the Glock 44, man, it works good. I do see that it works better with 14. After using it for a while, I did end up putting 15 in it, but I would get a stovepipe every time I put 15 in it, I would get at least one stovepipe. But at 14 rounds, perfect. I mean, it runs perfect. I think I put 200 rounds through it. Man, I got fingers is hurting, man. Got tired of loading that thing without that assist. That shit get hard to load. But I ain't gonna talk y'all to death, man. I just wanted to update you on that. I did file it down so it fit in my 945 Industries bag because it was a little too thick. And it fits perfect now. I draw perfect with it. So 14 rounds is better than 10, and it looks cool. It's a Glock 44. I put some CCI stingers in there, and that'll get the job done for me. Definitely that. But yeah, 14 rounds is what it is. Hey man, appreciate y'all watching. Like this video, leave a comment, tell me what y'all think, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I appreciate y'all rocking with me. We on our way to his house. I'ma holler at y'all.